Hello everyone and welcome to the Maths Lab channel. Today we will see some more examples on equations reducible into linear differential equations, that is Cauchy's and Legendre's differential equations. So based on these two concepts, today we will see some examples. Okay. So the first example I am going to take it. Solve x square d2y by dx square d2y by dx square plus x dy by dx plus y is equal to sine of log of x square. Now clearly you can see here x square d2y by dx square. So x square multiple. Here also x dy by dx. So x is multiple. So this equation, x is extra here. So this equation is our Cauchy's differential equation. And here sine of log of x square coming there. So how to reduce this equation into linear differential equation? What we have to do? We have to put, put x is equal to e raised to z. Now x is equal to e raised to z means z is equal to log x. Value of z is log x. Now z is log x. Now capital D we define here d by dz. You may write in last step this one, no problem. Capital D is d by dz. Now value of this x dy by dx. I have to write this value x into dy by dx is capital dy. Remember your capital D is d by dz. So our answer in terms of z, we back substitute that value of z is equal to log x and we will get answer in terms of x. So x dy by dx is equal to capital dy. Then second one is this value x square d2y by dx square is equal to d minus 1y. Right? I have written here direct formulas. Explanation of this already we did in our last video, last lecture. So here d minus 1y. Substitute these values in this equation, the given equation. So it becomes d minus 1y. This value x square d2y by dx square d minus 1y. Then second one is plus dy plus y is equal to sine of log of x square. Log of x square we can write 2 times log x here. Sine of log of x square, this term we can write sine of 2 log x. Sine of 2 log x. Now what is the value of log x here? Z. So here sine of 2z. Right? So I remove completely x. Only two variables present here, y and z. Now take y common from this term. So here d into d square, then minus d, then here plus d plus 1 into y is equal to sine of 2z. Right? So I get here d square, d get cancelled, d square plus 1 operating on y is equal to sine 2z. So this is my new equation. I call this equation as equation number 1. Right? So equation get reduced into linear differential equation. Now we can solve this linear differential equation by finding complementary function and particular integral. So here d square plus 1 is there. So auxiliary equation is d square plus 1 is equal to 0. So d is equal to plus or minus I. These are the roots. So complementary function Cf, we can write C1 cos z plus C2 sin z. Keep in your mind, there is no x here in terms of z. So I get answer in terms of z. But I want answer in terms of x. So what is the value of z here? Z is log x. So I can substitute that value. I get C1 cos log x plus C2 sin log x. Understood? So this is our CF. Now let us find PI. For PI, we need shortcut method. I'm going to use only shortcut method. Keep in your mind. So focus on shortcut method. So here pi is equal to 1 upon d square plus 1. 1 upon d square plus 1. Apply on sin 2z. Sin 2z is equal to, what is formula for sin in shortcut method? Replace, yes, replace d square by minus a square. What is the value of a here? 2. 2 square 4. So I have to replace d square by minus 4. So here 1 upon minus 4 plus 1 sin 2z. Right? So my answer is, final answer, minus 1 by 3 sin 2z. Right? But I don't want answer in terms of z. So substitute the value of z. Value of z is log x. So our answer is pi is equal to minus 1 by 3 sin 2 log x. Correct? So final answer, y is equal to cf plus pi is equal to c1 cos of log x plus c2 sin of log x minus 1 by 3 sin of 2 log x. Correct? Understood it? So this way we are going to solve the problem. Take one more problem to understand this concept. So here the next example is x square d2y by dx square minus 3x dy by dx plus 5y is equal to x square log x. X square d2y by dx square minus 3x dy by dx plus 5y is equal to x square log x. We are going to solve it. Again same, the substitution. What is the substitution? Put x equal to e raised to z. So here put x is equal to e raised to z. So z is equal to log x. Then value of x divided by dx. X divided by dx is capital dy, where capital D is d by dz. This is important. Right? Next, x square d2y by dx square. X square d2y by dx square is equal to d minus 1 y. Okay. Now substitute these values. So d minus 1 y minus 3 dy, okay, plus 5y. Are you getting? 5y is equal to x square. X square means e raised to 2z. E raised to 2z. Just square this. Then log x. Log x means z. So z into e raised to 2z. If I simplify this, I get d square minus d minus 3d plus 5 operating on y is equal to z e raised to 2z. Okay. Now we will simplify. D square minus 4d plus 5 operating on y is equal to z e raised to 2z. This is my first equation. Now you can find complementary function and particular integrals. So complementary functions we need to find it. Okay, auxiliary equation is, will you do it by yourself? Yes, do it and complete the answer. D square minus 4d plus 5 equal to 0. I get, yes, d is equal to 4 plus minus under root of 16 minus 4 into 5, that is 20 upon 2. Right? D square minus 4ac upon 2ac. Have you remember? Minus d plus or minus under root of d square minus 4ac upon 2ac. So here 4 plus minus under root of minus 4i upon 2. So my answer is 2 plus or minus I. So complementary function we can write, yes, e raised to 2z, no a square, 2z in bracket c1 cos z plus c2 sin z. Right? But we want in terms of x, so we can write that e raised to 2z. E raised to 2z means x square. So x square c1 cos z, z is log x plus c2 sin log x. Well, so this is value of complementary function. Now you can solve, you can find particular integral. So particular integral is equal to pi is equal to 1 upon d square minus 4d plus 5 operating on z e raised to 2z. Right? Our shortcut method tells us whenever such a situation is there, take e raised to 2z outside the calculation. So e raised to 2z, right? And replace d in place of d, substitute d plus a, means d plus 2 here. So here 1 up. In place of d, we get d plus 2. So here e raised to 2z, d plus 2 its square minus 4 into d plus 2 plus 5 operating on z. So this is equal to e raised to 2z. Simplify this. D square plus 4d plus 4 minus 4d minus 8 plus 5 operating on z. So our answer is e raised to 2z 1 upon minus 4d plus 4d get cancel, 4 plus 5 9, 9 minus 8 1. So I get d square plus 1 operating on z. So for z or the power of z, power of x, x raised to m formula. So e raised to 2z 1 upon, how I write this? 1 upon 1 plus d square, it is 1 minus d square plus dot 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 operating on z. Shortcut method, you have to remember it, is equal to e raised to 2z, z minus, double derivative of z is 0, so others are 0. So our answer is z e raised to 2z, z e raised to 2z, and you can write that z means log x and e raised to 2z means x square. So it is x square log x. Correct? This is my pi. Now complete your answer, CF plus pi. Thanks for watching.